Good morning, it's Thursday about 9 o'clock. I am going to go check out this Ogden Nature Park. Well, I made it to the nature preserve. It's about a half hour away from Salt Lake. Not too bad, easy drive. And trail's right there. I'm going to check it out.
Plenty of parking and 2 parking lots.
Alright, this is called the Birdhouse Trail for obvious reasons. All these birdhouses. The Birdhouse Trail. That's really cool.
The trail leads to a bunch of creative birdhouses.
So many birdhouses. I guess you just build a birdhouse and you come and put it in here. There's a warning sign that says, please don't touch the birdhouses, there may be wasps. So they're actually not just birdhouses. There is a billion birdhouses here.
This snowboarding birdhouse had to be my favorite.
I think there's like multiple trails here. I wanted to come up here for a long time.
The center courtyard next to the main building is just amazing.
These cool snakes that you can adopt. And then they have a tarantula, Chilean rose tarantula. Oh wow. So cool. Inside the main room, there's an actual live functioning beehive. Holy cow. That is so cool. The bees are coming in and out of this tube back here, going in and out, and it goes to the outside. So it's got this really cool deck system and all these neat exhibits. There's a bird of prey exhibit, but what I really wanted to see was the outside of the beehive, which the tube is coming out right there. Then you can see all the honeybees hanging out on the little, well, the light's not really good, I hope that shows up, but they're right there on that tube. What a This is so cool. Right up there is a red-tailed hawk. Over here, we have a peregrine falcon. Holy cow! Look at that. Hi, guys. And then over here, we have a great horned owl. And these are all birds that have been injured and could not be returned to the wild. And so they're taking care of them. And I think they take donations. I'm going to be making a donation. The size of this bird. This is a bald eagle. Holy cow. And he is just gorgeous. And again, these are all injured birds that they're taking care of, which I think is just awesome. Another golden eagle who was injured by a car. She can't fly, but she is hanging out. This is a really cool place. So cool. Alright, now I will be starting the habitat trail. And you can go either direction. I think this is the back way. So we'll go check this out. So there's a trail apparently that goes to a tadpole pond and a bear den. It's really short, so I'm gonna go check it out. Hopefully there's no bears in there. This trail, they have like 150 acres out here, and it is really cool. I've never been here.
While hiking, I came across some deer. There was a doe with 3 young fawns.
There's a baby deer with a little fawn.
I gotta tell you, I love bridges.
Another one down here. Oh, there's 2 of them.
On to the Blackbird observation tower.
This is some kind of Blackbird watchtower is what it's called. Big cool field right here. Quite a few people here, I'm surprised. Tower. You can look at a lovely field of grass.
Now I'm sure this place is super cool in the spring.
So this is Blackbird Pond, and there's no water in it. So it's right now it's just a Blackbird ditch.
Now I just love wooded tunnels. I can't get enough of them. Now if you look out there, that small dot is actually a fox. There's an awesome picnic area for big groups. And another real cool observation tower. There's also some bathrooms over here. Hey, after a 2-mile walk, we found Kronk in the building. This is a desert tortoise that was rescued. His name is Rex. This aquarium has fish from all over Utah. And the main building has all kinds of animal exhibits.
Okay, so been here about, hour and a half. Really cool place. Totally cool for kids. Trails totally manageable with strollers or whatever. Really, really awesome. I totally recommend coming up to Ogden, the Ogden Nature Center. Totally worth the trip. I saw deer, we saw fox. Just really, really neat. Make the trip. This is cool. Please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time on Explore Utah.